So see, we are discussing this. Alpha minus beta has these values 0, 2 pi and minus 2 pi. Now coming to 1 upon e. So we have cos of alpha minus beta is equal to, sorry, cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon e. And 1 upon e is less than 1. Now alpha plus beta जो है, do you guys agree with me? We have cos of alpha plus beta which is equal to 1 upon e. तो इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं cos of 2 alpha, because if alpha minus beta is 0, can we say alpha is equal to beta? From that equation, alpha minus beta equal to 0 जो equation है, we can say alpha is equal to beta. So we have cos of 2 alpha equal to 1 upon e. So now you have to understand how many such values are possible where it will be 1 upon e. So 1 upon e, now it's a positive number, so it will be in the first and fourth quadrant. But you have to understand, guys, this is 2 alpha. If alpha is from minus pi to pi, तो 2 alpha का range क्या हो जाएगा? 2 alpha will be from minus 2 pi to 2 pi, करेक्ट? तो देखो माइनस 2 तो पहले 0 to 2 pi में, 0 to 2 pi में कितने सॉल्यूशंस होंगे? ऐसे कितने एंगल्स होंगे फॉर विच इट्स गोइंग टू बी 1 upon e फ्रॉम 0 to 2 pi?
What are you saying?
I'm saying that from 0 to 2 pi in one rotation, for how many such angles will cos of 2 alpha be 1 upon e? So there will be two such angles, one in first quadrant, one in fourth quadrant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Achha, and when we go in the negative direction, how many angles will be there from 0 to minus 2 pi? Again 2. So total 4 solutions. 4 such ordered pairs are possible. Are you guys following this, Trisha?
Yeah.
Muskan?
Yes.
So think about this, guys. The seventh one, we have sine raised to 4x upon 2 plus cos raised to 4x upon 3 equal to 1 by 5. So tell me, what do you think we should do? कहाँ से start करें? You have to check these options. If we can find, let's say, sin x का value or cos x का value, one of those, then we can check all the options. So tell me, how do we start with this question? What do you think, Trisha? Muskan? Arush? See, guys, we have sine and cos both. So let's do one thing. Let's convert any one to the other. Let's just convert this question to either only sine or only cos. So I am converting this question to only sine. I am converting cos raised to 4 as cos square x the whole square, and just convert cos square x to sine.
1 minus sine square
1 minus sine square x. And एक काम करते हैं, इसको sin square x the whole square लिख देते हैं. इसको है ना थोड़ा हटा देते हैं sin square x को. Will not write it again and again. 1 minus sin square x the whole square. अच्छा, now I am making one substitution. I am taking sin square x as t. So this will be t, because I don't want to write sin square x again and again. That's the only reason. So this will be t square by 2 plus 1 minus t the whole square upon 3 equal to 1 by 5. Can you guys solve this? This is now quadratic. इसको पूरा solve करो. Quadratic splitting the middle term से हो जाना चाहिए mostly. If not splitting, then go for formula method. Tell me the values of t after solving this. What is the value of t? Yes, Trisha. T.
So 2 by 5.
2 by 5. Chalo, if t is 2 by 5, so sin square x is 2 by 5. And you'll have to find. Harush, abhi thodi aa rahi hai. Cos square x will be 1 minus 2 by 5, which is 3 by 5. Oh yeah, done. Tan square x is 2 by 3. Done. What about you, Muskan? Did you get this?
Yeah, I mean, I'm on the last step. 1 second.
Okay. ठीक है guys, चलो आज इतना ही करता है.
Oh, yeah.
ठीक है, done. Arush will meet in the weekdays and we will
Yeah.